Hello, I'm back. You guys were right. Murdering strangers is better than paying my credit card bill.
I want a chainsaw!
What? What are you talking about?
Some lady up the block is giving away all of her husband's stuff because he shot himself in the face.
Oh my God!
I've seen that lady. He did the right thing.
Oh my God!
Holy crap!
Oh man, Joe is gonna be so pissed!
Thank God all we hit were those trash cans.
Oh my God! Oscar!
Crazy. Like JFK deciding to cruise through Dallas in a rental.
How'd that convertible work out for you?
Yeah, I don't know. Good. Okay.
And did you get all your stuff out of the car?
Kind of.